Here is question number 1 of exercise 2.3 from NCERT. Question number 1. Find the remainder when x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1 is divided by x plus 1. पहला क्वेश्चन था ये. So here we have the value of f of x. F of x is equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. Now we have to find the remainder when we divide this polynomial by another polynomial, linear polynomial x plus 1. So gx, let's say it's gx, जो divisor है, that is equal to x plus 1. So to apply the remainder, x plus 1. To apply the remainder theorem, first of all, we have to find the value of a, because as remainder theorem states that when we divide a polynomial f of x by x minus a, then remainder is equal to f of a. So our first step will include to find the value of a. A is what? A is 0 of this polynomial gx. So what is that? 0 of this polynomial is x is equal to minus 1. ये x is equal to minus 1. This is 0 of the gx. So hence a is equal to minus 1. Okay. Now to find remainder will be equal to f of a. F of a means f of minus 1. Let's find f of minus 1. By f of minus 1 कैसे find out करेंगे? We will replace x in fx by minus 1 is equal to minus 1 cube plus 3 multiplied by minus 1 square plus 3 into minus 1 plus 1. This will be the expression. So let's simplify it. minus 1 cube will be equal to minus 1 plus 3. minus 1 का square क्या होता है? plus 1. So 3, then 3 multiplied by minus 1 minus 3 plus 1. So what we will get? 3 will cancel out. Similarly 1 will cancel out. So remainder is equal to 0. So answer of the first question is remainder is 0. Now let's take the second question. In the second question, gx is equal to, gx is equal to x minus 1 upon 2. So to find the value of a, we have to find 0 of this polynomial. 0 of this polynomial is equal to 1 by 2 is 0 of the gx. So hence a is equal to 1 by 2. So remainder कितना आएगा? Applying remainder theorem. Remainder is equal to f of 1 upon 2. So find f of 1 upon 2. f of 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 by 2 का cube plus 3 times 1 by 2 square plus 3 times 1 by 2 and plus 1. This will be the remainder. So we can simplify this to get the remainder. Let's simplify it. Cube of 1 by 2 is equal to 1 upon 8. Then 3 multiplied by square of 1 by 2. Then it will be 3 upon 4 plus 3 upon 2 plus 1. Let's take LCM of this. LCM, this implies right hand side will be equal to LCM आ गया 8. यहाँ पे on the numerator we will get 1 plus 6 plus 12 plus 8. That means it is equal to 27 divided by 8. So this is the answer in second case. This is the answer in case number 2 when divisor is x minus 1 by 2. Similarly, for this third option, What is 0 of this x? 0 of this polynomial x. If थर्ड क्वेश्चन के लिए बहुत छोटा क्वेश्चन है तो ज्यादा टाइम ना देते हुए gx is equal to x. So 0 of this polynomial कितना है? 0. So a is equal to 0. So what you have to do? You have to simply find f of 0. So f of 0 is what? Is equal to 1. So this is the answer for third question. Now take the fourth example. What is fourth example? Gx is equal to, in fourth example, g of x is equal to x plus pi. From here, I will get a is equal to minus pi. So what will be the remainder? Remainder will be equal to f of minus pi. So place minus pi in place of x here in this expression. You will get f of a remainder is equal to minus pi cube plus 3 multiplied by minus pi square plus 3 multiplied by minus pi plus 1. So what I will get? Minus pi cube plus 3 pi square plus minus 3 pi plus 1. So put the value of pi as we know, but pi is equal to 22 upon 7. Place this value here in this expression and you will get the remainder. तो अभी सिर्फ सिंप्लीफिकेशन करना है, इसमें वैल्यू पुट करके x इज इक्वल टू पाई इज इक्वल टू 22/7 प्लेस करके इसको सिंप्लीफाई करना है. नाउ द फिफ्थ केस. Fifth case is different from the rest of the case. Why it is different? Because in all the above four cases, we have coefficient of x equal to 1. In the first case, we have 1. In second case, we have 1. Third case, we have 1. And fourth case, also we have 1. But in fifth case, the coefficient of this x is 2. So let's see how we will solve that. G of x. हमारी पहली स्टेप ये होती है कि we have to find the zero of gx. So what will be 0 of this gx? I will equate it to 0. So I will get this implies x is equal to minus 5 upon 2. So what will be the remainder in this case? X is equal to minus 5 by 2 in this. So find f of minus 5 by 2. Put it minus 5 by 2 cube plus 3 times minus 5 by 2 square plus 3 times minus 5 by 2 and plus 1. Now let's move to the second question. Second question says find the remainder when we are given with fx and we have this gx. So what will be the remainder? Remainder will be equal to f of a. Let's find out f of a cube minus a multiplied by a square plus 6a minus a. So I will get a cube minus a cube again plus 6a minus a. So these two will cancel out and 6a minus a is equal to 5a. So this is the answer. Now let's move to the third case. Check whether this is factor of this. We have two polynomials. One is this. This will act as dividend and this will act as divisor. So this is equal to fx and this is gx. Now here what is asked? We are not asked about the remainder. Rather we are asked to find whether this gx is factor of this. So as we know, in case of numbers as well, if I divide a real number by its own factor, then remainder is always 0. Let's take an example. If I divide 8 by any of its factor, 8 के फैक्टर क्या क्या हो सकते हैं? 1, 2, 4 एंड 8 इटसेल्फ। इनमें से किसी से भी अगर मैं 8 को डिवाइड करता हूँ, इन ऑल द केसेस आई विल गेट रिमाइंडर इज इक्वल टू 0। सिमिलरली इन केस ऑफ पॉलिनोमियल एज वेल, if gx is factor of fx, then when I divide fx upon gx, in this case remainder will be equal to 0. So we have to check whether remainder in this case is 0 or not. So to find the remainder of this fx upon gx, I have to find the value of a. So a is what? 0 of this 7 plus 3x. So from here I will get a is equal to minus k 7 upon 3. So let's find out f of minus 7 upon 3, which is equal to 3 times minus 7 upon 3 cube plus 7 multiplied by minus 7 upon 3. Let's take it out from the bracket. 3 multiplied by minus 3, 43, 7 cube 343 होता है upon 9 plus, minus 49 upon 3. So 3 3 is 9. Then I will be left with minus 343 upon 3 minus 49 upon 3. Upon 3. From this statement, it can be clearly shown that this remainder is not equal to 0. So as remainder is not equal to 0, gx, which is equal to x 7 plus 3x, is not a factor of fx, which is 3x cube plus 7x. There is one more method to find to check whether this gx 7 plus 3x is factor of 3x cube plus 7x. So if I factorize this, the second method is factorize 3x cube minus 7x. Method number 2, second method यहाँ से आता है. तो मैं fx is equal to what? 3x cube plus 7x. To factorize, I will take x as common from both sides. From both terms, I will be left with 3x square plus 7. So now I have only two factors of this fx. One is x and another one is 3x square plus 7. So I can clearly see that 7 plus 3x is not factor of fx. क्योंकि यहाँ पे सिर्फ दो ही फैक्टर है, इन दोनों फैक्टर्स में से एक भी ये नहीं है. सो यहाँ से भी हम चेक कर सकते हैं. दैट्स ऑल फॉर नाउ. थैंक यू.